Hello guys, in this video we're going to teach you how to buy cryptocurrency without KYC. So it's one of the most common issues that you want to buy cryptocurrency but you don't have KYC, and here's the solution. First, you can go to mexi.com, or basically just Mexi, because Mexi does not require KYC to buy cryptocurrency, but its limit. It has a big limit. So here we have GoSwap. GoSwap allows you to buy cryptocurrency without actually having a KYC. So it's secure, limitless, and account-free crypto exchange. So if you're gonna buy around 200 USD of USDC, you can go right here and buy crypto, and then it's gonna redirect into another page right here to check whether you will actually have one. So basically, the USDC will be deposited somewhere here. So if you want to, you can use Banksa right here, Transact, but there's gonna be hefty fees basically. So let's go with Banksa right here. You place your wallet address right here. So just place it right there. Confirm. So there's an error creating. So you must just time it right with your provider. But basically, you just go with GoSwap.io right here. They'll be able to provide you with limitless. And you can try using your own fiat currency to buy, not just USD, so that it won't be a real hassle when it comes to payment methods and actual price difference and price shocks. So there you go, guys. And that's how you buy cryptocurrency without KYC.